Welcome back to data modeling question answer session. In the earlier sections, I explained what is a primary key, what is a composite primary key, what is identifying relationship, and what is non-identifying relationship. This is about foreign key constraint and as well as composite foreign key constraint. So let me see what is a foreign key constraint. Parent table has a primary key and foreign key constraint is imposed in a column in the child table. The foreign key column value in the child table will always refer to the primary key values in the parent table. Here you see social security lookup. Social security ID is the primary key, and the employee info, you see social security ID as a foreign key here. These two tables are connected by this relationship, and this social security ID moves to this table as non-primary key, and as well as it is a foreign key here. Whenever a data is entered in this social security ID, always the data must be in this social security ID. That is what is called as foreign key constraint. What is composite foreign key? This example has been taken from IBM. Here you see two tables. One is accounts, this is a table, and the second one is sub accounts. So create table accounts, acc underscore number, that is the column name, ACC underscore type, column name, ACC underscore description, column name, primary key, ACC underscore num, ACC underscore type. So what you see here, a composite primary key is imposed on two columns, ACC underscore number and ACC underscore type. Then another table is created, sub accounts, where sub underscore ACC integer primary key, ref underscore number integer not null, ref underscore type integer not null, sub underscore description character 20, foreign key. This is where it starts, composite foreign key, ref underscore num, ref underscore type. What does it mean here? This ref underscore type and ref underscore num references accounts table. You can see this accounts table here, ACC underscore num and ACC underscore type, this column and this column. What it says here, whenever values are entered in this sub accounts table, always these two values, ref underscore num and ref underscore type, must be present in the parent table, account underscore num and account underscore type. If a value is not present, then ultimately an error will happen. In this example, the foreign key of the sub accounts table, ref underscore num and ref underscore type, references the composite key ACC underscore num and ACC underscore type in the accounts table. If during the insert or update, you try to insert a row into the sub accounts table whose value for ref underscore num and ref underscore type did not exactly correspond to the values of ACC underscore num and ACC underscore type in an existing row in the accounts table, the database server would return an error.